Hi guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fix this car, this slot car here. It's a Toyota Crown Athlete, and by the looks of it, it can't seem to like drive. As you can see, the turbocharger goes up, but the tachometer and speedometer doesn't change. The car doesn't move. Same thing in reverse, but in neutral, it ran all the way. So let's fix this. So first thing we do is usually find the original chassis that you put onto it. I have a few. This one I use for VIP style cars. And what I want to do is I'm going to test this first. I got in the car a bit too early. You have to be careful. Yep. As you can see, it's clearly working now. It's clearly working here. Look at that. I'm sliding. Oops, I crashed into my assets. Right. So we can tell that now the issue is not with the wheels because the wheels can clearly turn. And it's not the issue with the A chassis. So other than that, it's either the chassis with the issue with the body or some stuff you put in the drive seat. So what I'm gonna do in this case is let me just rename this so that I know which one. Okay, that's okay, now I know which one. So what I'm gonna do is basically because my miscellaneous area here is also nothing. On this model, I'll delete everything and just left the body here. One thing you can do is you can take this remove the origin and we step it into here. So we roughly know where the car stays. The car will be about here, not an issue. Then we shift the body over in. And make sure to check if there's well, I nearly forgot to say that. Usually if your car has any sort of weld, this will affect it at no matter the issue. Every time there's a weld, this will happen. So be careful and oops, I think I forgot to do something. Right, okay. Do not have duplicates. I forgot to delete the original body. That's why the body parts couldn't stay on. So now first thing to check is if the wheels cambered in. I didn't adjust the other A chassis, so it should be working now. Yep, it's working. But one thing to see if your car has any weld issue is especially in the wheels is to see if the cam if all camber is there. Because sometimes if there's a weld, it will be straight. Okay, this one I remember I wanted minus 15 and minus 15. So go back in. You see the camber is set in. Or the fitment on that is good though. The rear is good. The front isn't. This one could be better. So now you can see it's clearly working now. I can drive this around happily. And yeah, this is how you roughly fix a car when this issue arise. There are also a few other issues that I noticed in certain cars, which I also want to go and take a look and solve and I mean teach you how to. Yeah, and that's about it for today. See you again sometime, I guess. And goodbye.